Hallo alle zusammen! Letzte Woche habe ich euch von unserer neuen 12 in 12 Challenge erzählt. Und viele von euch haben sich schon eingeschrieben. Willkommen an Bord! Last week I told you about our new 12 in 12 challenge and lots of you already signed up for it, so welcome on board. We are excited to work with you. We got a lot of emails with questions, so in this video I just want to do a little Q&A. I will answer the most asked questions in this video so you can decide if this is for you or not. All right, and if you have more questions, please leave them in the comments below. So the first question was about what about if you miss a few days or a week or something like that in the challenge. So first of all, you get lifetime access to all the dialogues, to the MP3s and so on. So if you miss a day or a few days or even a week because you're moving the country or whatever, that's totally fine, because each week you get an email with the new dialogue and you can access all the dialogues online. You can download them, so you get lifetime access. So no worries about that. Of course, we encourage you to work and study German as much as possible. All right. The second question was, can we download the materials? Yes, you can. You can download them on your computer. You can also access them from your phone, download them to your phone. You can print them. Basically, they're just yours. Okay? So no worries about that. How much time do I need? So in the last challenge, we noticed if you study about 15 to 30 minutes per day or 45 minutes per day, then you get already great results. We really encourage you to mostly focus on the dialogues. So just listen to them, repeat them, review them, and so on. And as I showed you in the last one, we also have exercises. Then we have Brainscape. Yeah, you can study with that on your computer or also on your phone. These are flashcards. You can look it up. It's called Brainscape. And yeah, so how much time do you need? It really depends on how much time you want to put into it, but 15 to 30 minutes per day is a good amount. Yeah. And if you don't study on the weekends, that's also fine. Yeah, it's flexible. It's really flexible, but you get one new dialogue per week. Which level will I be placed in? So basically we do an assessment survey at the beginning of a course. And there you say how much you've been studying German, what you think, what your level is, and so on. And then we place you in a certain level. You can also tell us what level you would like to be in. And within the first 2 or 3 weeks, you can change the level. So depending on the difficulty, if you think, oh no, this is too easy, this is too difficult, you can switch to another level. Und die nächste Frage, the next question was about live calls and bonuses. So we will do a lot of FAQs. You will have access to the Slack community, and we will have some bonuses. That's the sentence structure masterclass and the pronunciation masterclass. I will teach you about these two topics. Probably we will do the pronunciation actually before the sentence structure, because it's very important that right in the beginning you get the correct pronunciation and that we train your German muscles. All right. And one more thing, can you test it? Yes, you get a 30-day money back guarantee. So you can first see if you like it or if not, and within 30 days you can get your money back. Yeah, that's also all written on the website. I will put the link in the description again. There is a long page where you can read about all the details, and please send us an email if you have more questions. Yeah, good. Those were the most important Q&As. The next thing, lots of you were wondering, is this right for me? Does this method work for me? Usually we get great results because if you learn in phrases, it's really helpful. It's more helpful than learning grammar and vocabulary separately, really. And I just want to show you some more testimonials, some experiences of our students. So here we have Joe. My name is Joe from Chicago. Before the 12 in 12 challenge, I was studying German on my own for over 2 years. Old textbooks, Rosetta Stone, etc. There was a point where I just hit a wall with my learning and it wasn't fun anymore. Then I found Anja's YouTube channel just in time for Anja and Luca's first 12 in 12 challenge. It was exactly what I needed in order to take my learning to the next step. Anja and Lukas put together a great program that provides you with relevant material and gives you all the resources you need to succeed. Weekly dialogues with useful lessons, flashcards, a great community where you can interact with Anja, Lukas, and all the other students. If you are looking for a way to start learning the German language or want to take your learning to the next level with a not so traditional learning approach, then you have to sign up for the 12 in 12 challenge. Hope you can join us. Yeah, now the next one. Hello Lukas and Anja, my name is Miguel and I come from Mexico City. I have 2 years living in Germany and before the 12 in 12 challenge B2. I took around 4 German courses. I have problems still a bit to remember words and especially in how to construct long sentences since in Spanish, most of our constructions is with verb in the second position. I know. The chunking method helped me not to overthink if I should use accusative or dative or which tense I should use. I just say it. I will completely recommend the course to anyone that wants to speak more fluent and increase dramatically their vocabulary. Thank you very much, you guys. You really nailed it. Thank you, Miguel and Joe. That's all I wanted to show you. If you have more questions, send us an emails or write in the comments. You have 2 more days to enroll. 48 Stunden. 48 Stunden. Yeah? And we really close on Friday. We will really close enrollment. We did that the last time too, because then we want to focus on getting everything ready and we will do live calls with all the participants and so on. So we really close and then we focus only on the participants. I just want to make this clear because the last time we got a lot of emails, oh, can I still sign up and so on. Sorry, but no. Anything else? Yeah, we will start this round on the 4th of March. 4. März. Am 4. März geht es los. And as I said, if you miss some days, if you miss some weeks, it's totally fine. You have lifetime access. And ja, das ist alles. We really hope to see you in the course. Wir hoffen, dass wir dich im Kurs sehen. Alright, das ist alles. Check the links in the description if you're interested. Dankeschön und tschüss.